There's nothing he can do but keep on calling and hope that another female appreciates his efforts. And soon enough, he gets his chance. Now that he has her attention, he launches his display in all its glory. She is judging every move, gauging his skill and his fitness. If she likes what she sees, she'll let herself be swept into a fond embrace. That's the moment he's been working for, their brief mating discreetly hidden from view. His dance is instinctive, and it's unique to his species. Just one of countless strategies that males use to win mates and pass on their genes.